Hi, Natasha Denona here. In this video, I want to teach you my unique technique how to create the eyeliner on hooded eyes. I'm going to be using my macro blade liquid liner, the Pro Flow Precision Eyeliner. First of all, let me explain what a hooded eye shape looks like. The upper lid is slightly puffy and almost completely covering the center lid, which creates a fold that is very close to the lash line. Now, a hooded eye can be the shape you're born with, it's just your feature, or it can be caused by aging. So this tutorial is for everyone that has a hooded eye, whether you're young or mature. For the first step, it is very important that we're going to draw a line that is super thin and as close to the lashes as possible. The best way you can control the shape and the outcome of the line is when you're using the side of the applicator. Then when you draw the complete line from the inner to the outer corner, and then open your eyes to make sure that you leave a gap between the eyeliner and the fold. Now what happens to most of the hooded eyes is when the eyeliner is still wet and you open up your eyes, then it budges and stays on the upper lid, and we want to avoid this. So leave the eyeliner to dry down a couple of seconds before you're opening up your eyes. The Pro Flow mechanism of the macro blade liquid liner delivers so much pigmentation, so you will not have to struggle with drawing. Just stamp the applicator onto the skin. Once the formula dries down, you can make sure that it won't budge and smudge. The first eyeliner I want to show you is like an everyday basic eyeliner that is going to be the shorter version of the longer and more dramatic eyeliner that I'm going to show you afterwards. So for the first one, you have to draw a line from your fold to connect in a straight line with your outer corner of the eye line, and then connect the outer edge with the outer third of your lash line in a straight line and fill in. That's the easiest, simple everyday eyeliner look for hooded eyes. And now I'm going to teach you how to achieve a dramatic, elongated wing for hooded eyes. You start off looking straight forward towards the mirror. With the side of the applicator, you're creating the outer wing, starting slightly further than the fold, and you connect with the outer corner of your eye in a straight line, completely ignoring the fold. To create the wing shape, you connect from the outer edge with the outer third of your lash line. And then you can close your eyes, lift your lid to fill in the gap. You can continue to sharpen the tip even more, or just to elongate the eyeliner by your personal preference. But then don't forget to thicken the line on the top border. And always make sure to check that the lower border is a straight line. What you achieve with this shape, and because of the fold of the hooded eye, is a diamond shape eyeliner. But don't worry, when you open up the eyes, it becomes just a straight winged beautiful cat eyeliner. But if you still wish to blend out the diamond shape, the next step is a pro tip that is one of my favorites. I want to blend out the eyeliner with eyeshadow. I'm picking up Spot, the black eyeshadow from the Biba eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow is actually amazing for blending out the liquid liner because it is a cream-based eyeshadow. It's my cream powder formula. I am kind of blending the border that is on the lid inwards slightly just to diffuse it a bit. And then with a medium transition eyeshadow like Freckle and a slightly larger brush, I'm diffusing a little bit more until it blends seamlessly into the skin. Sometimes it might happen that you cover the eyeliner with a little bit too much of eyeshadow, then you can repeat and intensify the eyeliner again. This is it. I really hope that you found this video very helpful, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!